let me talk about the general academic track, and this is ideal for students who are still undecided about which career path they want to take. And I wish they had this when I was young, because it allows me or any student actually to actually explore different avenues and interests while you're trying to figure out what do you really want to do or pursue for your future career or even your course in college. And this is designed for students who want to be exposed to a good mix of subjects and electives from the other strands. What makes this track really unusual is that you can get a taste of both the arts and design track here and also the, the ABM track here as well. So this is suitable for students or who want to keep their college options still quite open. So what is the GAS, the general academic strand designed to do? And first and foremost, it is to equip students with hard and soft skills necessary to meet demands of a globally competitive market in whichever field they choose to specialize in. Again, the GAS is designed for students who are still kind of figuring out what you want to do. So whether you wish to pursue something in the sciences or in the maths, and of course, or in the arts even, you can take the GAS. And of course, glad to have Miss Kwan Ingchen back with us and that she is online. Welcome.
Hi, I'm
Hi.
back.
Welcome back, Kwan. So I was just getting started at introducing you and introducing the track. So I was about to talk about point number 2, but I think I can hand that over to you right now.
Okay.
Awesome.
Hello. Thank you, Kathy. I'm Juan. I'm part of the faculty for SoFA Senior High School. And just like I'm sure what Kathy mentioned already in a couple of minutes ago, this general academic strand was really designed with those kids who have a lot of potentials and are really still quite figuring out which one do I really want to specialize in mind. So I was definitely in the same boat when I was your age during my teenage years. I was like, do I go this path? Do I go this path? I don't want to let go of this path. I'm also very much into this. So for those kids who have really a lot of interest, a lot of things that they still want to explore and wouldn't really necessarily want to let go of one yet, or wouldn't want to choose one specific path yet. This is for you, right? So why is this for you? It's really because what we aim to do is to produce a very well-rounded individual who would be able to certainly meet the demands of the globally competitive marketplace. So once you finish the general academic strand, hopefully you have all the tools in your backpack for you to really make good decisions, for you to really start honing in on those skills that you want to specialize in it. So what are the skills? What are the toolkits that we want to sharpen for these kids? Primarily your reading, writing, and speaking, because these are the most important things, right, that you would need to have when you want to sell your ideas, when you want to get people on board with your idea. So very, very important that our graduates, our kids have top-notch reading, right, writing, and speaking skills. So in whichever communication form, uh, we will be there to see you and get you to where you want to go. So what else are we looking for? We are looking to groom the students to be professionals who serve people through ideas and communications, right? So we're really going to hone in on getting you to bring out your creativity and resourcefulness and making sure that you are able to get your ideas across clearly. What else is the general academic strand going to be about? Your general academic strand would really give you the flexibility to go into whichever track you want to specialize in again. So once you finish it, in case you realize, ooh, I think it's really the business business side that's going to focus. That's going to be possible. If you realize that you um, are really stronger in terms of humanities and social sciences, that option is going to be open for you. If you realize after taking this trend that I think I am really into arts and that's really where I want to take my career to, then we are going to make sure that that option is also going to be open for you. Okay, so this one is really supposed to help give students the leverage to find their own ideas, to find their own voice, to hone in on their strengths, right? And bring in fresh perspectives on the things that they can learn from the unique subject in SoFA. And hopefully they're able to translate all the skills and bring in all the skills that we work on in your senior high school stay with us as you move to college and eventually in the professional setting. Really, in a nutshell, this GAS track, our focus is really going to be on just sharpening the strengths of each kid, right? Because it's really uh, a track of all trades sort of thing, right? We study one, we study the humanities, we study the sciences, we study the arts, we study the business, so that once you know where you want to go, you're ready for it. So again, designed to expose students to a good mix of theories, a good mix of subjects that would really equip them with the knowledge that they need, the skills that they need once they move to college. So again, best suitable for students who are still keeping your options open. So if that's you, if that resonates with you, those students who are really wanting to learn about a lot of things. We have kids in our current design program that are into physics, that are into business, kids who are into exploring environmental sciences. These are all going to be, again, open apps for you in the general academics track. So, sample opportunities um, for the students who are going to finish the general academic strand, your political science, governance, community engagement and management, social sciences, applied econ, urban planning, creative writing, philosophy, psychology, anthropology, organization, and management. So all these, are we going to study all these? Definitely, because as Miss Kathy mentioned earlier, we go with the students' interest. So in case we notice, right, and that's really the beauty of having a small number of students. We would be able to give you the time and attention, and we would be able to bring out the ideas and interests of each individual. So in case we notice, let's say for example, that somebody is really, really into psychology, right? Then we can give that student mentoring, we can give that student activities that are geared towards psychology. We notice a student is interested in economics, how the financial system works, definitely possible for us to tailor our activities and our discussion towards economics and financial markets. We have kids, like I said earlier, who are into physics. So we let those kids explore how do we bring in conversations about physics and business into the design work. So all these possible, yes, definitely, all these would be possible for you because in the engage, integrate, and commune thrusts of SoFA Senior High, we are definitely going to listen on your interests. We are going to bring out those talents. We are going to sharpen those skills. That's really the thing that's of primary importance in the GAS track. So instead of just specializing on one specific track off the bat, we are going to look at what's in your toolkit. Let's sharpen that toolkit. What else can we add so that once you graduate with us, you're ready and you're super well-rounded with all the skills that you need to take on the next challenge.
Thanks, Ms. Kwan. And yes, absolutely agree with that. That for classes at SoFA, which is really unusual, and having just only 15 students, we all of your teachers will really have the capability to mentor you according to your personal interests, to what is your passion, whether it's in physics or in social sciences or anthropology. And that's the beauty of this strand. And if halfway through, after your first years, you sort of figure out something else, then the program will also pivot with you. And thank you so much, Ms. Con, for introducing the GAS to us.